Welcome to our channel. If you've decided to permanently delete your Instacart shopper account, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your account is properly closed. Step 1. Before deleting your account, complete any pending deliveries and ensure you have no outstanding payments or obligations with Instacart. Step 2. Open the Instacart Shopper app on your mobile device or visit the Instacart Shopper website using your web browser. Step 3. Log in with your account credentials if you aren't already signed in. Step 4. Navigate to your account settings by tapping or clicking on your profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Step 5. Scroll through the settings menu to find options related to account or deactivation. Step 6. Look for Deactivate Account or Delete Account option. Note that Instacart may require you to contact support directly for permanent account deletion. Step 7. If you need to contact support, tap Help or Support in the app, then select Account Settings and request account deletion. Step 8. Provide a reason for deletion if prompted and confirm your decision to permanently close your account. Step 9. Check your email for confirmation from Instacart that your account has been deactivated or deleted and keep this for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.